if you want to do something and you're worried about what other people will think about it, and maybe that's probably something that holds you back from trying out a lot of things. This is how I handle and I've always done. But before that, let's just do a little quick exercise. Cast your mind back, say to your university days. Do you remember the phone you were using in maybe like your level 100 or your level 300? Do you remember the phone that your best friend was using? Do you also remember the phone that one nice guy or one nice lady in your class was using? I've been out of school not long ago, but I still can't remember the details of some of the things that took place. Like, I don't remember the phone that some of my friends were using, even though they were very good friends of mine. I don't remember. Neither do I remember the kind of shoes that they were wearing. Neither do I remember. I just remember them as people, but I don't remember certain things, certain key features. So if there is, if maybe somebody was out there and wanted to do something, but was being held back because he or she thought other people are considering the way he looks or she looks, then you realize that you've done yourself more disservice, because people won't remember certain details. They'll just remember the things you did, but they won't remember certain details like the shirt you wore or the shoe. Maybe in those moments they will, but in the long run they wouldn't. So for me, that's something that's always helped me, that I know that in 5 years' time they won't remember. So I might as well go ahead and do it. So if anytime you're trying to do something or you're trying to be different in any ways, and it means you're going to stand out, just know that in 5 years from now, people won't remember. They'll just remember that you did this. They won't remember some particular details. And that can really help you when you're trying to do so many things. Catch you in the very next one. Peace.